Hey guys, it's Katie Austin here, and today we are doing an arm strength workout. So grab your medium-sized dumbbells. I am doing anything between 5 to 12 pounds for this. I would say 7.5 is the perfect spot, and we're gonna get right to it. It's going to be on for 30 seconds with a 15-second rest. We're starting with a tabletop fly, so let's get it. Break in 3, 2, 1. Next, we're just doing the other side in the tabletop fly. Finish it strong for 3, 2, 1. Next, we're gonna grab both weights and we're gonna do a tricep kickback to an overhead press. So start kneeling, and what you're gonna do is take those weights back right behind you, squeezing your triceps, coming forward, using that momentum, bicep curl to lift overhead press. Working all angles of your upper body right here and really getting those triceps. Let's crush it. Next one, we're still gonna be kneeling right here, and we have continuously alternating serve the platter. Using your lower half just a little bit, but serving that platter, so raising each arm up one at a time. This is gonna really work our shoulders and our rotator cuff. Here we go.
Those who wait never. I've been hungry for affection, baby, best believe that you got my attention, baby, now I see you're there in my reflection, you're a part of me, and missing me. Hide and seek till I found you.
Give me 2 more right here, and place those weights at the top of your mat and meet me in a high plank position. We have a plank to a down dog, and as you're going to the down dog, we're gonna pull one weight across our body towards the opposite knee. Weighted plank down dog pull throughs. Let's get it. For 3, 2, 1, nice work, guys. Meeting you back in that kneeling position, and now just grabbing on to one weight. We have around the world. So taking one weight, making sure your core is extra tight. We're gonna take that weight towards one hip, pull the weight around our head, and meet at the opposite hip. Keep rotating it either way, each side. Nice work, you guys. Love this move right here. Relax. This next move only requires one weight as well. We're gonna do a nice lawn mower row, still kneeling right here. Lawn mower row, pulling that weight across your body, working those obliques, and then pressing that weight. Single arm overhead press. Nice work, you guys. Starting with just one side first. Nice work. Now let's complete the other side. Three, two, one, relax. Get ready for your last move right here. Again, kneeling, but this time with both weights. So grabbing onto both weights, we're gonna do a kneeling fly, which requires a little bit more ab balance work with this. So stabilize using your core and let's fly it out. Finish it strong and relax. Nice work, you guys. That was your 7-minute arm strength workout. You guys can feel free to repeat this one more time through, but you absolutely crushed it. I'll see you next time.